Hey guys, so as many of you know, Selenium will stop supporting Java 8 starting in September of 2023. I'm recording this video in August of 2023. That means that we're about a month away from this actually taking place. And you may be wondering, how is this going to affect you? Well, this is really only going to affect one group of people, those who are using Java 8, which I hope is not many of you. It turns out that Java 8 is quite an old version, and I'm surprised that Selenium has continued to support this version for this long. Now, what options do you have if you are on Java 8? Well, it turns out you have two options. You can stay on Java 8 and continue to use an older version of Selenium, or you can upgrade to Java 11 or above. Notice that the minimum version that Selenium will support going forward is going to be Java 11. That doesn't mean you have to be on Java 11. You could be on Java 11 or 17. Anything 11 or above will be fine. Now let's take a look at the options that you have. So if you are using Java 8, one of the options that you have is to upgrade your Java version, like I said before, to version 11 or above. Let's see what are some of the pros and cons of doing this. Some of the pros include performance and security, compatibility, and language features. And some of the cons are code changes, testing, and a learning curve. Feel free to pause the video to learn more about each of these. Now let's take a look at the second option. And it is that you don't upgrade Java and you stick with an older version of Selenium. It's hard to think of some pros for doing this, but there are some. In this case, we have minimal code changes and immediate continuation. And for the cons, you have security risks, compatibility issues, limited longevity, and missed opportunities. Again, feel free to pause the video. I highly recommend that you go with the first option, which is to upgrade your Java version. I think that any effort that you will have to put in to do the upgrade is going to be well worth it and it's going to pay off dividends in the future, since you won't have to face many of the issues and limitations that come with staying with older versions of Java and Selenium. So you can start by making sure that your developer machine has at least Java 11 installed. And you will also want to make sure that any other infrastructure that you're using is also using a newer version of Java. For instance, you want to make sure that your Jenkins server is using the latest Java version in case you're using Selenium Grid for test parallelization and such. I hope you found this video useful. And if you have any questions regarding this upcoming change, please feel free to comment below. Hit the thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. See you in the next one.